How to fix unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine battery. So if you're having the issue where your iPhone says unable to verify if this has a genuine battery, this message actually appears when a non-Apple entity replaces the battery during refurbishment. And while the message can be inconvenient, it's usually nothing to worry about. The message appears on the lock screen for 4 days and in settings battery for 15 days. So normally on the lock screen it will last for 4 days, and on the settings and when you go to the battery section here, it will be here for 15 days. So now the reason for this message is the battery might be improperly installed or an unknown part, and the battery might be non-genuine, used or installed in another iPhone before. Now the impact of the message: the iPhone's performance isn't affected, the battery's health information is unavailable, and it's difficult to determine when to replace the battery. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.